Today we are at Omar's, known as the S chassis god. As you can tell, we drove Fran's car today because we actually need to transport a hood, which is right here, off of this parts car. It's starting to rain already, so how about we slap this on real quick? Doesn't look bad blue, huh? We should paint a car like this.
I have one in mind.
Which one are you thinking?
The work truck?
4-door work truck it is. That was our goal, but we ended up spray painting it. Did not turn out like that.
At first, the first day it was.
Yeah, first day, while the paint was wet, looked great. But all right, we got some work to do on these today. I did recently pick up this blue hatch because I wanted to save it, because the rust isn't too bad on it, and it did have a clean title. But the more I looked at it, the more I realized I do not have the time or place to put this to restore it. And yeah, that's gonna need a lot of work. It's not impossible to save, but timing's just not right for this one. So we're just gonna give these cars to someone who can either use them as parts or save them themselves. Definitely keeping these, not getting taxed on headlights again. The last set I had to pay like $200 or $300 for, and this came free with the whole car. Went ahead and took off the door from this car as well, because this is a power door, and the door on my car is a crank window, and I'd rather them match and be power doors. And then we're also going to take off this blue hatch because it has no holes, no wiper, no damage. The rarest form of a 240 hatch.
Rarest form.
Rarest form. These hatch nuts still have the adhesive on them, which means this hatch has never been removed. Let's change that. And oddly enough, these are 13 millimeter. Let me get out of the car. I might get crushed because we are balancing cars on spare tires because we ran out of jack stands. All right, send her down.
Didn't work.
Didn't work. We gotta try again. Version 2.
Watch your face.
Send her. The subframe stuck?
Subframe's still in there.
Oh!
You kick, I'll stand.
All right.
Oh. Maybe we can still make this work. Oh, is it out? It's out!
It's out.
Woo!
Well, kinda.
Oh. Did
Yeah.
you get something?
No, it's just the bushing's catching on it. This one, the bushing came off. What the heck?
Really?
Yeah, look. That doesn't even make sense. This car is rotted, and all 4 bushings are perfect.
Still in there. Come up.
Dang, you're so strong.
Got it.
There you go. Who needs a jack when you got Omar in overalls? All right.
Fart it out.
A wild pig nose hatch. What up, dude? The more the merrier. Well, welcome to the 240 party. Take what you need.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Do you see the adhesive on this? They just smudged it on the trans tunnel.
Going infinity?
Wait, what? That's random.
Game plan.
Yeah, I'm
Game
saying
plan?
game plan first.
We're gonna lift it up. You're gonna pull the wheel.
Pull
out.
the
You're gonna
tire,
wheel
put it
out.
on
You're gonna
there.
Put the wheel on
On
top
this?
of there, and then we're
And then
gonna roll
slide
back
it in.
underneath, and
Alright,
that's it. All right, let's
Alright, go ahead.
Oh my god. Pit stop.
Alright, go down.
The crunch.
Almost crushed this guy.
Oh.
Alright, so we need 2 guys on the front wheels. And
Yeah, right. The studs are perfect, but the rails are shot. All right, cables. Flatten her out. Travis Auto Body. Oh, dude, that's perfect. No, that's good. That's good.
That's a lot of extra strength. Ready to slow down.
let's just all lift. Let's carry it. Let's carry the whole time all the way.
ready to be saved or cut. Who knows? We'll see. You can really see the frame rails from here. Versus.
I don't blame him.
Goodbye, 240s. Try not to spend money. It looks like
spending money.
looks like you're definitely spending money today. He bought some of these 50/50 pig nose turn signal lights.
That's chassis. People don't know what those are.
Right?
To everyone else, they're just like, oh, corner light, big deal.
Right? Yeah, see? Yeah, you need those. What do you guys think? 50/50s or solid orange?
And then put the clears on the side too, because then it would match that. Oh.
The S chassis trampoline is officially installed in the yard.
Oh my god.
It's so springy. There's not even springs in this. It's so bouncy. We are going to test out these gold ABS onto Fran's car. Let's see how she looks. Only got 2 lug nuts on there. We're just test fitting this. What do we think?
Right on the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah. Matches the caliper.
It does.
It looks fire on the black too. They look good.
They do look good. I almost like these better against black.
I do. They look way better with the black than they do on the white.
Right?
Yeah. You gotta put my white ones on the back now.
I want to test fit all 4 of your white ones on my car.
Next, I'll bring them over next time.
Unfortunately, my car isn't one color, so it won't really make a difference. But
Soon enough, soon enough.
soon enough. What's the difference between these two? Can anyone tell me? There is actually a difference. These are 2 different wheels. Trivia. One's worth $100, the other one's worth like $600. I wanted to go over this perfectly spec'd out S13 coupe. This is actually original paint on the seafoam green 240. It's probably one of the most sought out for combinations. It's got the pig nose with lip, slick top, so no sunroof, which is actually preferred for S13s and S14s and whatnot. And also the interior is flawless. Has a crackless HUD dash, so it has a heads-up display that goes onto the windshield. An old logo Nismo wheel. I mean, this is just immaculate. It's so clean. These seats are even mint. It's so cool how they have the two-tone go along the bottom trim here throughout the whole car. That's so cool. Oh, and it even closes like factory. Oh, so good. It's the little details that make a car great. But unfortunately for now, this car is a shell. Omar currently has an S14 SR in the works that he will be dropping in. He needs a little bit of refreshing, new gaskets and whatnot, new clutch, but this will be in there soon and the car will be ready to run. Omar's drift car has been in hibernation all winter. We're gonna see if it starts up. Hold on there, boss. Try number 2, this time with the jumper pad.
Yeah. Turn this contraption on here.
It's a little Miata battery. Oh.
Oh, not so good.
Sounds like shit.
TPS plugged in?
Yeah? Running a little rough, so we're gonna try and throw another MAF on it, which means we might have to pull the MAF off of Fran's car. All right, looks like we are taking this MAF off. Ta-da!
Oh, this car's sold?
No, I was saying you sold the master.
Oh.
Say something.
Ta-da! Temporary fit. There we go. Much better. That sounds way better, dude. Actually idling now. Alright, well, what now?
Take it for a test drive.
Test drive.
My foot! Got a Karen that way, hold on. Don't want to upset the neighbors.
Can't have a Karen. You have to go the opposite way. Overall successful test drive, but we gotta figure out why that thing is shaking so much. According to the shake test, we got something going on.
So left or right?
It's inner tie rod.
My tie rod?
Yeah,
Is it my tie rod or my steering rod?
inner tie rod.
I got inner tie rod.
Yeah, there's one right there, actually, I saw it. And we could tell that it's the inner tie rod because when we shake the wheel, we can watch the outer and inner tie rod move, but not the rack and pinion. I know it's hard to see because it's dark, but that's how I came to that diagnosis. Yeah, see? Damn. There we go. There we go.
Yep. Size it up.
Yeah, where's the new one?
You already got it out? Omar, where
Yeah,
were
man.
you? Fucking around. Wait, why do you have my side skirts?
I'm putting it by the other one.
Wow,
Oh, thanks, Omar.
how much
You're
play?
Feel that bad.
It doesn't look that bad either. You could see the play though when it was attached.
I could feel it.
I mean, they're a little shorter, but they're a lot shorter actually.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work. What? This is where the nut was?
Is that 10 threads?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it.
No, that was
I would
threaded.
not use. This was all the way in the tie rod.
That's like too many threads though. Usually they don't have
That's
that
bottomed
many.
out in the tie rod.
I
for
would
sure.
love that.
Well, pretty close.
Maxima Q45.
That one looks nice.
Take notes.
Yeah, let's run it.
toss her in.
There we go.
No, it didn't go in.
Nope. Ah.
On the last turn, I advanced. Someone fucking. No, it was just. Never mind.
How's it feel now?
Tight.
Test drive part 2.
Me out of battery.
Is ground actually ground? Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
never
went,
know
to
with these
go, I went
cars.
to go hook up to a car at work, and they had the red cape. Yeah, it was stupid.
No, that's what you had.
Round 2, baby. Sound like a wrench. Oh my god. Still. To be continued, I suppose.
Yeah. Damn.
Franzy and I are at the junkyard to pick up something we purchased. What did we buy this time?
Another KA.
And I also forgot to grab the clutch pedal out of that 240 the last time we were here, so hopefully it's still there. Wow, this is the nicest day I've ever been here. I've never seen the ground dry. Yo, it looks like it does still have the clutch pedal. Man, that is stuck. stop moving. It's still wild that this is an ABS car. Oh my gosh, you can really see the missing frame rail section. It's just falling apart. Oh, and this is a rear Hikes car. Interesting. Well, I guess we'll start working on getting the clutch pedal out. That's all I really needed from this. These are just completely rotted. We got that easy access from the bottom here thanks to the rust. Well, it looks to me that this clutch pedal is stripped. It just keeps spinning. And I don't have any tools here that could hold this into place while I spin the other side. So it looks like we're gonna have to come back for this another day. But that's all right, let's load up the engine while there's still daylight.
Good. A little more. A little more. A little more. Yeah. You taking a video of this?
Yeah.
Want me to smile?
Yeah.
You look pretty, don't worry.
We had a guy here one day came got a 350 in a little one of those little Geo Metros.
No way.
Yeah, he took the seat out.
In the front?
In the front, and had to put it to the side to get the stability in there. I'm like, you're kidding me. He goes, no man, I don't got a truck. When he left here, it was like this, going down the road. Didn't want more tire was touching.
How long? This doesn't look too bad, right? It's about the same.
If your tires rub, it's okay. We'll sell you some tires too. Yeah.
Look at that.
Just make sure you don't hit your glass there.
Oh, it's got this nice plastic buffer. Ready? Moment of truth. It fits the ships. That wasn't so bad. What were you thinking when I pulled up with the car?
We get some weirdos here, man. I've been here 34 years. You'd be surprised some of the people come here with stuff.
Yeah?
Oh my God. You wouldn't believe it.
I saw your face. You're like, this man's not really about to. Like, nah.
I've seen you like, oh my God, this guy's gonna shit.
Sorry we didn't do too much yard exploring. Although we did just look at that yard, so I'll be sure to attach the recent video where we looked at it. But now we gotta drive like over an hour home with this in the back. We're already rubbing on our way out of here, so it should be fun. Also, the engine was only around $300. It had clean oil, spun nice, had compression. Don't know how much compression, but hopefully enough.